most people, a regular crossover SUV like this Escape is perfectly fine for spending most of its life on road. Obviously, occasional jaunts off-road on some dirt or gravel roads is perfectly fine for the Escape, but that's pretty much it. And that's pretty much the case for most crossover SUVs we see these days in the US market. Not so quite the case for the 4Runner. The 4Runner is a little bit more old school. It's not built on unibody like these Escapes and most other compact crossovers that we see. The 4Runner is built on rugged body and frame truck-based architecture like it always has. And where these Escapes, you can see that ground clearance is maybe a little bit better than a passenger sedan, where ground clearance is obviously massive on this 4Runner. The 4Runner is still one of the best out-of-the-box off-road vehicles that you can buy. When properly equipped, it can tow up to 5,000 pounds. It's got a bulletproof 4-liter V6, pumping out 270 horsepower. It might not look special, but this is an engine that has the potential of going 200, 300, and even more thousand miles. There's not too many engines that can do that. And I mean, go on Craigslist. Look at how many used 4Runners are for sale with 200,000+ miles. One of the most reliable gas-powered vehicles that you can buy. These things are just, Toyota's been building these for such a long time. They haven't changed them too much, what some people might see them as a negative. But since they've been building them the same way for so long, and obviously Toyota is already an amazing vehicle manufacturer, they just have these things down to a science. You know, obviously nothing's a guarantee, but if you want a vehicle that could surpass 200,000 miles with few issues, the 4Runner I think is an excellent bet. Take my word for it. Read some reviews. Look at Consumer Reports reviews of the 4Runner quality and long-term ownership, long-term reliability, and you'll probably come to that same conclusion. And also the resale value. This thing was a little over $40,000 when it was brand new, but yet 3 years later on the pre-owned market of over 30,000 miles, it's not too far off. The used car market is not too far off what the new car market was 2 or 3 years ago. You know, part of it's inflation and part of it is a lot of Toyota stores, they'll second sticker these vehicles, which means that they'll put a second sticker over the MSRP, so they might ask $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 more over MSRP, or they'll put some floor mats on it, some wheel locks and stuff like that, and say, oh, and some door edge protection, and like, oh, it's got the Northwest Protection Package, that's an extra $3,000. Stuff like that. Not all Toyota dealerships do that. All dealerships are somewhat guilty of second stickering, but you know, it's all supply and demand, and there's always a strong demand for these 4Runners on the new market and on the used. Recently though, it's been redesigned, and I think there's a lot of people that are gravitating towards these older 4Runners. They like the 4-liter V6, the simplicity of it. The newer 4Runner I think has a new hybrid motor, which not everyone's crazy about. This V6 is nice, simple, no forced induction, no complex hybrid systems. This is an old, proof, 4-liter V6. And not to knock Ford, if you do want off-road prowess in a Ford product, we have the amazing Bronco with the Sasquatch package, which could probably outperform this 4Runner. It'd probably, the TRD Pro version would be a little bit more of a competition, but there are different strokes for different folks. Obviously, Toyota makes a lovely RAV4 or a Highlander for people who just want a regular crossover SUV to go on-road. But if you want to go off-road and explore this amazing paradise of the Pacific Northwest or wherever you live, this is your little magic carpet ready to take you there. There's so many off-road parks, trails to explore here in the Pacific Northwest, be it the dunes of Florence, Oregon, Eastern Washington, the mountains, the Olympic Peninsula, and you can set your level of difficulty. You can go on some beat up, dirt, gravel roads, or you can do a little bit more technical stuff. This thing is very capable, and it's ready to take you there and get you back in one piece. Being a mid-size, it's got a nice spacious interior, great for growing families, lots of cargo space back there. And this particular example is in really nice shape. I don't even think this one was ever off-road by looking at it. Nice all-season mats, synthetic leather interior with 2 tones. We have a moonroof. This is a relic of old school SUVs. It's a power roll-down rear window. It's a favorite of dogs. You can always picture a happy yellow lab or doggy sticking their head out there getting fresh air. My dog Polly would absolutely love that one. This one also has heated seats. This is the SR5 Premium model, so it's got some nice extra luxury amenities on it. We have downhill Ascent control, so it's like cruise control for going downhill, where the vehicle will maintain a safe speed where you can concentrate on driving. And a true four-wheel drive vehicle designed to go off-road will not just have a high-range four-wheel drive mode, but it will have a 2-speed transfer case with low range, like this 4Runner. This one has 35,368 miles, a drop in the bucket for a 4Runner. With a caring owner, there's no reason this one could go another 100, 200, or maybe even 300,000 miles. It's definitely possible. There are plenty of high mileage 4Runners out there. Just go on Craigslist and look yourself. Navigation system, looks like the screen's flickering, but that's just the GoPro. Sometimes when the GoPro videotape screens, it looks like it's flickering, something to do with the frame rate, but it's perfectly fine. Of course, we have a backup camera. Nice leather up steering wheel. We have adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot warning. Some people ridicule the 4Runner for driving like a truck. Well, guess what? Driving like a truck is not always a bad thing. You know, all these people that buy these F-Series Super Duties, they like the way they drive. It's okay to drive like a truck. That's part of being built on body and frame architecture. So, you know, I like the way trucks drive. I like the way cars drive. I've driven many of 4Runners in my 30-year automotive career. In fact, I worked at Toyota back in the 90s, where I saw some of the original 4Runners. And they've come a long way. They're better, they're more refined, bigger, more capable. But if you like to have an active lifestyle, if you want to go off the beaten path, you want something that's reliable, has amazing resale value, then look no further than a Toyota 4Runner. They are amazing. They are a legend in the automotive world. Thanks for watching. We are Scarff Ford. We've been in business 103 years, proudly serving the greater Seattle-Tacoma area. We're located in Auburn, Washington. We sell new Fords, new Isuzus, and a very wide variety of pre-owned vehicles.